Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
This video is to demonstrate how to add a manual customer rate from the route board. There's a couple of different ways we can handle this. One would be to use the blue button of Assign Rate. You're going to want to select the Assign Customer Rate blue button from there and choose Manual. And here you can add in your carrier. And I'm just going to put in a flat rate. To make it simple, you can add the fuel and any accessorials and select Save. And then Close. And now you can see from the route board here that we've added a $1,000 rate, $1,000 customer rate to this. If you expand the SO, because we are on the transports list right now, you can see that rate is showing here. And the SO is now in a status of rated. Another way that you can add a customer rate, a manual customer rate, is to just simply hover over this no rate, bring up your shipping order, this drop down that says rate, add manual rate, so you can add a customer rate from here. We have it set to default to a specific carrier in this case, and I'm going to put again a flat rate and select Save. And so if you hover over financials once again, you can see that we have a rate of $1,200 on the shipping order, which you can also see from here, and showing that the shipping order is now in a status of rated. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.